All right, here we go. Part 6. It's going to be a lot of the same things as in the last one. All the parts are laid out for all 9 steps. And this is where we left off. So we built all this. Now we're starting right here. And it's going to just kind of be the same thing for the next few steps. So just getting the levels of the tower built. So I'm going to get this put together, put you on time lapse, let y'all watch it and fast forward. And I'll be with y'all in a minute. Alright, so that's about halfway through. Yeah, halfway through. And you can see, pretty much looks exactly the same, just now it's 1 level taller. We was right here, now we're right here. So, all these pieces are the exact same as what I just put on. Starting with those. So it's going to be the exact same thing again. It's just going to be 1 level taller again. So, I'm going to put that together and be back again. All right, we are through step 49, which is video 6. There'll be 2 more after this. So this is where we stand. Right here. Start of the video, we was down here. We built this level and this level. So we got a couple more levels to go. So that wraps this one up. My fingers hurt because these things are tiny and I got big fingers. So it don't work out too well. They get tender after a little while. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stick around for the rest of them and see it at the end. And like them, leave me some comments, share them, whatever you'd like to do. Anyway, we'll see y'all on the next one.